Okay, so we will continue this video. First chapter of economics development, like introduction portion is over. I have given you introduction, and now come to next topic. What development promises different people different goals? Like I told you that in India different kinds of people are living, and of course if we going to divide our society into categories, so we can divide in three categories. First category is the richest people, and those who are rich, those who are the businessman, those having the all kinds of facilities, they facilitate themselves, and they are earning lakhs of rupees, and of course they completing their needs, requirements, etc. Come to the second category, middle class, middle people of the society, those who are doctor, engineer, teachers, they are also having the job and job security. They also running their life, they also completing their needs requirement as per their earning, what they are earning according to that. Come to the third category, poor people of the society. Yes, poor people of the society. And how they complete their needs, requirements, what are their goals, aspirations, what is development for them. So now come to the table 1.1, you can see developmental goals of different categories of persons. Of course, I explained you three categories of India, three categories of our society. First, richest people of the society. Second, middle people of the society. And third, last, poor people of the society. And all categories of people having different types of goals, different kinds of aspirations they have according to their living standard, according to their needs and requirements. Okay, so first thing, category of person and developmental goals. Okay, key person belong from which category and what it's yeah, what his aspirations and goals. So come to the landless rural laborers. Landless rural laborers means they belong to rural areas, they belong to villages, and totally they depend on economic activities. Why? Because they are not landowners, they don't have their own lands, and they doing on the field of jamidars and money lenders. In ninth standard, have you read about the chronicle and unemployers, seasonal unemployers? So they are the chronicle and seasonal unemployers, those who don't have their own land and they depend on others' land for earning, for their economic activities. So what's their goals? What will be development for them? How they will improve their condition? Like they are the landless rural laborers, and they depend on economic activities, agricultural activities, and of course agricultural activities are the seasonal activities. It's for only for 4 to 5 months, and after 4 to 5 months they will be totally workless, jobless people. So what's their goals? What they want? They want that more days of work and better wages. If, because they are the landless people, they are the jobless people, they are the casual laborers, and if they will get the more days of work, if suppose ki agricultural activities are only for the 60 days. Okay, so after 60 days they will be the workless, jobless, and if it is extended for 80 days, है ना. If their work, their days extended 80 days, that means more days of work and better wages. अब suppose they are getting only 40 rupees, 60 rupees per day, and if according to the policy of government, yeah, as per their work, they going to earn 100 rupees, 300 rupees per day. So think about themselves कि more days of work they will get, and due to the better wages their life standard will be improved. Their life standard will be improved. They will be able to complete needs of their family members. They will also fulfill their goals and aspirations. Okay. And second thing, ki what they want. First thing, they want more days of work and better wages. Second thing, because they are the landless people, they are the jobless people, no job security for their activities. So what the second aspiration, second goal for them, they also having children and they can't afford public private schools for giving education for their kids. So what they want local school is able to provide quality education for their children. That means you have seen that in rural areas many government schools are there, but education quality of government schools are not good. Education quality of government schools are not good because teachers are not teaching properly, students are not regular, or whatever the problems are there. So what he wants, yeah, they wants that local school is able to provide quality education for their children. Okay. And there is no social discrimination, because we have seen in our society, in our country, कि social discrimination is there on the basis of casteism, on the basis of religion, language. We have social discrimination, and they are landless people. Here is not mentioned कि they from which category, from which caste, from which religion. They are only the landless people. Okay. So on the basis of economic activity, on the basis of economic condition, we should not discriminate them. So they want social discrimination should be not in our society. People should not discriminate them on the basis of their caste, on the basis of their earning. So they also want equality in the society. They also want the equal rights, equal opportunities, whatever other categories people having in the society. And they too can become leaders in the village. Okay. So you have seen that only those who are the jamidars, those who are the money lenders in the village, they only became the leaders of the villages. Okay. So they also want ki through their education, through their hard work, they also get opportunity to become leader of village. So if they will get these things, if they will get the all facilities whatever they want, this is their goals. Okay. So if they going to get the all facilities from the society, from the side of government, that will be development for them. So you can define ki how the different definitions we have, different definitions of development, ki what will be the definition of development for the richest people, what will be the definition of development for the middle class people, and what will be the definition of development for the poor people. So if they will get these facilities in their life, that will be development for the landless rural laborers. So like that only you can fill, you can read this table. We are studying the development chapter कि how we can define, how we can explain development of the country, development of the nation, and development of people, because people having different aspirations. So if one is getting 50,000 rupees and one is getting fund 500 rupees per month, we can't compare both of them, because one having the all facilities, whatever qualification he has and whatever the position he has, he is able to complete his all kinds of needs and requirements. But one who is getting 500 rupees per month, he is not able to complete his all kinds of needs and goals. So what will be the definition of development from for the each? We will continue this video for next day. Thank you.